Hello guys and gals. Today I'm going to show you a little trick on how to make your tail lights, backup lights 50% brighter. Now here's a original tail light bucket. They don't never shine them up very good. This is an original 67 model tail light bucket, and what we do is we take this chrome spray paint, metallic spray paint, and we paint them inside and out. Something that you can do, and always make sure that you put you a piece of tape over the hole where the socket of the bulb goes. That way you don't have any paint getting down in there. So come right back and I'll show you what an original tail light looks like without cleaned up, and then I'll show you what one looks like when it does. The tail light lenses and backup light lenses is new, but the original bulbs, or not the original bulbs, but the old type bulbs is still in them. Having to replace those, so they's a little dusty, dirty, but I'm going to show you here what a difference this spray paint can make. Make sure you always use bulb grease in your socket there for your bulbs. Make a good contact and keeps it from rusting. So hang on there, and we'll come back and show you what a regular tail light looks like. Okay, here is the backup light. It's lit up, and you can see it's considerably brighter than the original ones. I didn't have an old one there to clean up, so before I started the video, so hang loose, and we'll come back to the tail lights and I'll show you the difference in them. Okay, here they are, both lit up. You can tell that one is a whole lot brighter than the other, and that's the one that's been spray painted. This one over here on the left hasn't been. And so that's an easy way to make your tail lights 50% brighter. And it only cost you about $4 for spray paint and a little wire brush and some tape and bulb grease, and you'll be good to go. Thank y'all for stopping by. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe. We really appreciate it. Thank you.